Ever wake up to a loud bang? Like a crash or a gunshot, but there's nothing there? Sounds scary, right? That's actually a real thing. It's called exploding head syndrome. It happens when you're just falling asleep or waking up. Your brain kind of misfires, and you hear a loud noise. But it's not real. It doesn't hurt you, but yeah, it can freak you out. Things like stress, anxiety, or bad sleep make it more likely. So if it ever happens to you, don't panic. Your brain's just tired. Follow for more strange and life-saving facts.